Hi guys, it's Saturday the 8th of November and I'm back up at the allotment. I'm gonna try and sort some of this stuff up today. So it's not too bad up here, it's not too busy, but I'm gonna try and see if I can get some stuff done. I'm still in the car. I literally just drove up. It's maybe quarter to 11. So I'm gonna try and get things going. Then maybe I'll set the camera up in the car. I don't know if it's gonna rain, but I'll try and see what I can do. But we're here and we're gonna try and do something. Hi guys, so it's Sunday the next day. I'm in the car. I'm taking a breather. It's not raining, but I'm tired. I've managed to get most of the railway sleepers in. I don't know if you can see them from here. But I'm just so tired. I'm just taking a breather. I don't know what time I got up here. I think I got up here at 10 o'clock. It's now minutes to 12, sorry. So I've been going at it for um 2 hours. So I've folded the cover and put it in the container there, and I'm just digging the holes and driving the sleepers in. So I've got 3 more holes to go, and then I'm gonna start using the drill to drill everything in, put it together, and using the ties to put everything on. So yeah, but we're tired, very tired. So it rained a little bit and stopped, so I'm glad it stopped. But for now, I'm just taking a break. So see you. Okay guys, I'm the last man left standing on the allotment, so I can vlog in peace. So this is how we have it looking. It's all done. We may need to add a few more screws every now and again, but that's it. This one isn't attached because I didn't have any railway sleepers, and these ties that I bought again aren't long enough. So everything is in. I just need a longer ties and to add a few more screws every now and again. So I'm really pleased. It's really solid. Of course, I'm gonna have to tighten those screws and add more screws, but it's really solid. So yes guys, this is it. I'm very pleased. Like I said, one's not added in, but I just need some bigger ties. I'm gonna add the door next week. So I plan to, sorry if the thing goes up, I plan to put this like so and frame the door. I have enough wood, as you can see, got loads of wood on here. Sorry about the but yeah, I'm very pleased. I'm gonna put the polytunnel over. I need to clean it, and I'm just gonna add everything back on. Clean the polytunnel. Obviously I need a lots of polytunnel tape cover because it's a lot of damage, especially at the bottom, but I'll fix that. Very pleased. I can't believe I actually got the work done. I could have done a lot more if I just come out and, you know, started working a lot earlier this week, but we are here, and I'm glad I started. This I do believe is the hardest part, and only the cover to be left to go over, and to build the door. I don't think the door is going to be that hard because I've kind of worked it out. I don't have any hinges or whatever, so I'll pick that up later this week before I come back up. Just make sure I get some locks and some hinges for the door. But yeah, I'm really pleased, well pleased with this. very daunting, even though it's a simple task, but very daunting trying to figure out what to do. I've also added these back in periodically through to keep the whole structure stable. So I've added them back in. I've also added them on like so. So it's covering the it's covering the wood and the pallet. So that is it. So guys, it's 4 o'clock Sunday. I'm gonna head out now and be back next week. I'm the last person standing. I'm so happy I got this far because this has been hard. Thank you guys for watching, and as always, take care.